Welcome to qnawire.
We have a pickup truck here with a toolbox in the bed, and the tailgate is down. You can draw the tailgate there, I guess. Is down, and that means that the toolbox could actually slide off the back of the truck if the truck were accelerating fast enough. So they ask us, if it starts from rest, what's the shortest time this truck could accelerate uniformly to 30 meters per second without causing the box to slide? Okay, so they give us a coefficient of friction between the toolbox and the bed of the truck, both the kinematic and the static. It turns out we don't need the kinematic because this box is not going to slide, or we don't want it to slide. So the final velocity is 30 meters per second. It starts from rest. So a free body diagram here says that the friction force must equal the mass times the acceleration of the max acceleration. So this would be the maximum friction force. The maximum static friction force would give us the maximum acceleration. Maximum friction force is just the static coefficient of friction times the weight of the toolbox. So again, the mass of the toolbox drops out, and we get that this maximum acceleration is the static coefficient of friction times g. Now, if the acceleration is uniform and the initial velocity is 0, we know that I guess I should probably put in a TF. The final time, the time it takes to get up to 30 seconds, the time is going to be the maximum acceleration times. The velocity is going to the maximum acceleration times that time that we're looking for. So the time is final velocity divided by mu sg from here. Final velocity is 30 meters per second. Plugging in the other values, we get that 4.71 seconds. So if they don't get up to 30 meters per second, if they take longer than 4.71 seconds to get to 30 meters per second, we should be okay, and this box won't slide off. So that would be a pretty good. This is actually pretty fast. So this would be actually 60 miles an hour ish. So that would be a very fast 0 to 60 time for a pickup truck. Although I suppose if you had a huge engine in it, it might and very little payload, nothing in the back, just the toolbox, it might you might be able to get something like that.